Hey guys, welcome to the channel. If this is your first time here, you found yourself here at Say Goodbye 925. This particular video is actually a video that's going to be going down here in the Grow Your Profit series. So today we're going to add, or I'm actually putting together the video, how to create domain names, and then how to create and redirect your name servers. So the URL links that you may get from the opportunities that we see on this page, like for instance, My Lead Gen Secret, Home Business Academy, or even the multiple income funnel, those all give you different links. So would ClickBank. If you had products from ClickBank, they're called hot links. You would get links for that. So I'm going to teach you how to create domain names for all of those so that you can personalize those, make them easier to remember for your audience, which actually increases your traffic flow. Okay. So with that being said, guys, let's go ahead and get started. So this video is going to go somewhere here in the order on this training series. I'm not quite sure yet. So because I wasn't sure about getting all the training videos completed before I added them here, but I'm missing out on some clicks from you guys, and I want to make sure that you're well trained and you stay on this page for training. So again, if this is your first time here, please, below this video, there is a subscribe button. Why don't you hit that for me? So when you subscribe, what's going to happen is all of these videos, if you see here, they all are separated into different series, okay? And a lot of these videos fall one after the other, okay? When you hit subscribe, you're going to have the ability to see them just like this when you come to my page, okay? If you don't hit subscribe, what's going to happen is they're going to fall in any order that I may have put them in. It might be difficult for you to actually find the next video in line unless you come up here and you hit playlist, and you can select the series out of playlist. But at any rate, I encourage you to hit subscribe, and then next to that's going to be the bell icon. Go ahead and hit that too. So when I add a video or add new content, you're going to be able to see that here. So with that being said, let's go ahead and get on with our training. Today, we're actually talking about domain names, adding domain names. So when you sign on for a business opportunity, they're going to assign you a link. So whether you've signed up with My Business Opportunities, which with the multiple income funnel, which is this series here, or you've signed up with the Home Business Academy, which is this video series here, or you've got a lead generation platform, email marketing platform, My Lead Gen Secret, that is right here. Any one of these is going to give you hot links or a link, a URL link, which is going to go to your page, your landing page, capture page, video sales page, whatever you want to call that. Okay. So we're going to teach you how to reconvert that link into a domain name. So with that being said, what we're going to do is we're going to go to a company called Namecheap. Okay, so like I don't get paid from Namecheap. The reason that I'm actually sharing this with you is because I found that the domain names that I find are under $10. Okay, maybe under $15, because anything above that you're paying too much. So I'm going to show you some ways to get a domain name for cheap. And then I'm going to also show you a way how to, once you have that domain name, how to redirect that domain name, connect it to your URL link, and redirect it. So when people click on your domain name, it takes them to whatever URL link that you want them to go to. Okay. So why are we creating the domain name? Again, we're giving the client on the other side a name or something they can remember, something they can relate to. Okay. So today, I'm going to give you an example. So I'm creating a whole new domain name just for this particular video example. And you're going to be able to see it firsthand, step by step, because that's how I want this training to go. So with that being said, log on over to Namecheap. It's namecheap.com. Create yourself an account. Once you're here, you don't even have to sign in, but once you have an account, it's, you want to put your domain name in here. And the one I wanted to use today is Residual Income Junkie. And I did check it already. So residual income junkie.com. So I'm just going to put that in here. Okay. And that's going to come up just like this, and it's going to search for them. And how about that? See, first time I tried it, it came up. Nobody has that name. And fortunately, that seems to be one of my talents is I can come up with good names for domain names that people haven't even used yet. So I'm going to go ahead and I'm going to buy this one. So this popped up. Nobody's used it. You can see there's a bunch of different suggestions down here and what they cost. Okay. So you want to look for a domain name that's not going to cost you much. This one's $9.58 a year. So let's go ahead and buy it. Okay. So I click on that. We're going to buy it. Right. And then we're going to go ahead and check out. Okay. So residual income junkie, confirm order. All right. So we're just going to pay for that right now. $9.58. Working on it. Okay, so with that being said, guys, that's already done. So that domain name belongs to me. So you might find that you keep clicking looking for a domain name and you can't find one. Okay, so to help you with that, there's another site. It's called Bust a Name. Okay, I want you to click on that. So it's just how it sounds, bustaname.com. So click on that. If you're having trouble coming up with a domain name, click in here, whatever it is that you're looking for. So it's like, maybe you want it to be called Make Money Fast. Okay. All you have to do is type that in there and it's going to give you a bunch of different names. Okay. So we can get rid of some of these because I had these on here, Make Money Fast. Let's get rid of that, that, and that. Okay. So it didn't really come up with anything. So Make Money Fast online. Okay. Let's see what happens here. Nothing. Okay. Let's try something else again. Nothing comes up yet. Okay, so let's just keep punching names in here until we come up with something. So let's go. I like residual income. Okay, here we go. So I typed in the words I like residual income. So what they're typing in here is like residual income. See, there's one that somebody could use or buy or residual income like or things to that effect. So this is going to help you find a domain name if you can't come up with one on your own. Okay, so this is just a tool for you guys to use. If you're on Namecheap and you're playing around with it and you're having problems with a domain name. Okay, so now that you guys have a domain name, what we want to do is we want to manage that. Okay, so what I want to do with that is I want to close this session here because I want to keep these sessions short because you may have to run. Okay. This is going to be it for the series because the next video in the series is going to be going to Cloudflare and redirecting that link over to the video sales page that you want the domain name to connect to. Okay. So with that being said, guys, make it a great day. If you got to run out the door, and I'll catch you on the training tomorrow when we redirect your domain name to your URL link. Okay, with that being said, have a great day.